Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we presented about project 1 in subject system analysis and design. So we will introduce ourselves. So my name is Muhammad Hamzah Fauzan bin Abdul Razak.
And my name is Binti Jeremy.
And my name is Muhammad Abdul Najman bin Khairul Azhar.
So
My name is Nubin Burma, matrix number 25 DDT 19F1158. Introduction. As a computational system advances in processing power and becoming more present in people's life, new types of interaction arise. Touchscreen and voice user interface, for example, are being widely used as interaction interfaces for smartphone. As they provide more usability than on-screen keyboards, electronic entertainment system, for example, video games, are also experimenting new forms of interaction to better immerse the player in games, such as virtual reality and gestural interface. Regarding the latter, many current video games already utilize this type of interaction to control games. For example, chess games, as reference to the ones we did, gestural-based games begin to increase in number and popularity with the advent of modern technology video games built in. However, one particular genre of game that has not gained popularity in gesture-based system is board games such as chess or checkers. A possible reason for the gaming industry and developers' lack of interest in board games might be that, as a gaming platform that uses the whole body as a controller, it is expected that the player uses a lot of movement from their body to perform an action or complete an objective. There are very few implemented board games that uses a gestural interaction. More importantly, there is no actual evaluation of this kind of control in this specific type of game, making it hard to define whether a gestural control fits or not into the context of the game and how it performs in comparison to the traditional mouse and keyboard input. These factors highlight the importance of this evaluation.
going to proceed about planning. So planning develop one FDD, one DFD, one use case diagram, and one context diagram. So here the FDD, virtual chess game that have three. First, registration, administrator, and secretariat. So about the registration, first about user registration, user information, and update information. For administrator, collect user information, set the deadline of registration, and update user information to secretariat. And the last one about secretariat, confirm registration, send confirmation registration to user and give task to user. So next about DFD. So this the FD diagram. The first one is for the staff and student. Going to the staff and registration system. Give student registration information and also staff. And going to the secretariat, schedule task participant, and going to the admission portal for sub student and staff information data. So I will be passed to the
Okay, we can see here there are three entity here. You can see the user and also user registration and user information. So next user form. So they will send to the admin, and the admin will inform the user and set a deadline for the user. So next the back. Okay, lastly for the secretariat, so we send back to the user, send confirmation registration and give task to the user. Okay, next slide. Context diagram. So you can see at the middle we have the virtual games chess. So you can see the entity, there is an admin, user and secretariat. So first the administrator, we collect the user data. and user and then send back to to secretariat the the update and reconfirm the registration to the user. User we send the registration to the admin and we'll back the circle. The last circle is from the secretariat to the user, and also will be the user had the set deadline. Okay.
Okay, thank you for Amirul. Next, for the design at least 6 user interface of the system. Okay, the first interface is the our first interface before register. Uh, and after register, after click at register, will display the register form, and for the name, matrix number, address, email, and number phone. Can save or cancel, and after save register form, will display the registration detail and can back or next. Okay, next. Okay, after next, here you can see will display a congratulation your register for chess game day to 2021. And next, here display the location of the chess game day 2021 recommend and date for the game 27 12 to 2021. And next, here can give the feedback for the chess game day, and here display the name, matrix number, feedback, and can save or cancel feedback. Okay, next. Okay, for the testing phase to in user, the firstly visit the application profile, and second click register button to register in the event of Chess Game Day 2021, and ask the student key in the information such as name, matrix number, email, number phone, and address in the space provided, and click save button to save the information. Okay, next, the information that has been filled in will be displayed in the next page. And after your registration successful, the location of the event will be indicated where it is located. And lastly, we ask you to fill in the feedback field to find out if the use of the application we provide needs improvement or any suggestion that need to be issued. Okay, next. Thank you.
Well, friends, so now we have the conclusion. Gestural-based games began to increase in number and popularity with the advent of modern video games built in. However, one particular genre of game that has not gained popularity is gesture-based system is board games, such as chess or checkers. A possible reason for this gaming industry and developers' lack of interest in board games might be that as a gaming platform that uses whole body as a controller, it is expected that the player uses a lot of movement from their body to perform an action or to complete an objective. That's it from me. Thank you.